Become mighty again. With myTpen grading, teachers can quickly grade scanned assignments and tests without manual calculation. Let's see how it works. Upload scanned assignments or test papers from your device or any cloud storage available here. Let's start with a sample file. Select the TPen tool and start assigning marks directly on the paper. As you write the marks, you can see myTpen automatically converts handwritten grading into digital text. Continue allocating the marks across the sheet using the same tool. Now switch to CPen tool to annotate mistakes or add feedback. Once the grading is complete, simply click Calculate Marks and myTpen instantly totals the score. Scroll to the last page of the file to review the final marks. If you're not using the myTpen grading app on your touch device, we recommend connecting to myTpen Surface Pen Tablet or Wacom Pen Tablet for better handwriting experience. You can purchase these pen tablets from myTpen eStore. If you want or need to change the grade, simply update the number. TPen supports the following operators: plus, minus, decimal for allocating grade marks. There you go. We just updated the score to 14. Let me add a minus in front of number 3. The total marks is now 11. Grade faster, provide better feedback, and focus on teaching. You're not average anymore. You are a mighty teacher.